Good morning to everyone. Here we are going to see exercise 11.3, question number 6. In the previous video we had completed already question 1 to question number 5. So look at question number 6. Describe how the two figures at the right are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area? So dear student, here we have to compare the larger surface area of a cube and a cylinder, and also we have to say about their likes and dislikes, means what is the common in both the figure and what is the difference in both the figure. Okay, so first thing is that the difference in both the figure is, in question number 6 is, one is a cube, another one is a cylinder. Okay, first difference. Second difference will be, we will find their lateral surface and comparing that lateral surface of surface area of the cube is 196 and lateral surface area of a cylinder will be how much? That is 154 centimeter square. As comparing to both the lateral surface area of a cube is greater than the cylinder. Okay, that is the second difference. Third difference will not present over here, and it is also asked that what is the like in this. So it is that like between the common thing in between that the height of the cylinder and the height of the cube is same. So only that is the like in that. मतलब दोनों में common से दोनों का height है. Height of the cylinder is also 7 centimeter as well as height of the cube is also 7 centimeter. Okay. Now let's see the solution. As you know that in the question it is said that describe how the two figures are at a right are alike and how they are different. Is like और alike और difference बताना है, same और difference जो मैंने अभी बताया. Which box has a larger lateral surface area? So lateral surface area find करना पड़ेगा, तभी तो पता चलेगा दोनों में से क्या है. तो lateral surface area here, lateral surface area. Remember lateral surface area is also known as curved surface area. lateral surface area को हम curved surface area भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. So lateral surface area of a cube is equals to 4. L square होता है फॉर्मूला. L क्या होगा? हाइट होगा. तो L की वैल्यू यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? 7. ओके, सो 7 into 7 will be 49 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर into 4 will be 196 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ठीक है, ये हो गया फॉर्मूला. फॉर्मूला से हम उसका lateral surface area of a cube निकालेंगे. Then second B part, lateral surface area of a cylinder we are going to substitute. So height is 7 centimeter. Where from this one? Okay, here we will consider as diameter 7 centimeter. So we will find the radius, that is 7 by 2 centimeter. Isn't it? So how much it will be? Lateral surface area of a cylinder is equals to 2 pi RH. So here we are going to cancel 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Y we had pi value as I told you 22 by 7. So pi value 7 put 22 by 7 put करेंगे. R की वैल्यू यहाँ 7 by 2 पुट करेंगे. ठीक है. H की वैल्यू हाइट है और सॉल्व करने पर हमको ये 7 कैंसिल होगा, ये 2 कैंसिल होगा, बचेगा क्या? 22 into 7 बचेगा. So 22 into 7 will be 154 centimeter square. Thus both have the same height as 7 centimeter. Will be the like. And one is a cube, another one is a cylinder. That is a difference. And as we know that the lateral surface area of a cube is larger than the lateral surface area of a cylinder. That is the solution. Okay. Moving toward the question number 7. What is said in the question number 7? A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? So how much sheet of metal is required? A closed cylindrical tank of radius of a cylindrical tank is given 7 meter and height of the cylindrical tank is given 3 meter. So as we know that the metal sheet is required to cover its area, total surface area, isn't it? So we are going to find the total surface area of a cylinder is equals to 2 pi r into r plus h. ये फॉर्मूला होता है. ठीक है, जिसमें पाई की वैल्यू 22/7 होगा, r की वैल्यू रेडियस ऑफ अ cylindrical tank is 7 and h is height we are having 3. So 2 into 22/7 into 7 into r plus h, that means 7 plus 3 meter square. So it will be, while calculating here 7 will get cancelled. 2 into 22 will be 44. 3 plus 7 plus 3 will be 10. So 44 into 10 meter square will be 440 meter square, which is the required answer. Thus 440 40 meter square metal sheet is required to cover that cylindrical tank. Okay. Now next question we are having. In the question number 8, it is said that the lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is given as 4,224. Lateral surface area of a cylinder कितना दिया है? 4,224 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर दिया हुआ है. उस lateral surface area, suppose this is a cylinder, okay, and its lateral surface area is given 4,224 सेंटीमीटर. इट इज कट इन हाइट वाइज. ये उसका हाइट होता है, ये रेडियस होता है, ठीक है. सो हाइट से उसको ऐसे कैंसिल करेंगे. तो वो एक जब हाइट से कैंसिल करके जब ओपन करेंगे सिलेंडर को तो एक रेक्टेंगल का शेप में मिलेगा ना हमको. तो रेक्टेंगल का शेप जो मिलेगा वो क्या होगा? फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर शीट. सो ये रेक्टेंगुलर शीट का जो है ब्रेथ 33 सेंटीमीटर दिया है. हमको यहाँ का हाइट फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. हाइट दैट मीन्स लेंथ फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, तब जा करके हम यहाँ पेरीमीटर फाइंड करेंगे. ठीक है. सो हाइट सबसे पहले लेंथ फाइंड करने के लिए इसका हाइट हमको पता होना चाहिए. ठीक. इसका हाइट पता करने के लिए लेटरल सरफेस एरिया है. तो लेटरल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ सिलेंडर इज इक्वल्स टू 2 पाई RH होगा. लेटरल सरफेस एरिया इज गिवन जो है 4,224 इज इक्वल्स टू 2 into 22/7 into R. R we will consider as 33 divided by 2 into H. इससे हम लेटरल सरफेस एरिया फाइंड आउट करेंगे. फाइंड आउट करने के बाद हम पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. ओके. सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Moving toward the next question, that is question number 8. What is said in question number 8? It is said that the lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4,224 centimeter square. It is cut along its height and form a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. So dear student, we have to find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. As I told you earlier that here the area of a rectangle will be equals to the lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder का जो lateral surface area है कितना दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में? 4,224 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर दिया है. जो lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder है वो किसके इक्वल होगा? एरिया ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल की इक्वल होगा. तो एरिया ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल का वैल्यू कितना है? 4,224 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. एंड एरिया ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल फॉर्मूला इज L into B. ठीक है. जिसमें B 33 विड्थ ब्रेथ दिया है. आपको लेंथ निकालना है. लेंथ विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ हाइट ऑफ अ cylinder. Okay. So here lateral surface area of a cylinder is equals to 4,224 centimeter square. It is given. Since the area of a rectangle will be equals to the area of a lateral surface area of a cylinder. So area of a rectangle is equals to L into B. This formula may be very well known. So area of a rectangle value will be 4,224 centimeter square is equals to L, where width is given as 33 centimeters. So when 4,224 will get divided by 33, you will get the required answer as 128 centimeter as a height. Whose height? Area of a rectangle. Length of a rectangle. As length of the rectangle is 128, which should be considered as a height of a cylinder. Okay. So as it is asked to find the area perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B, where 2 comes from formula. L value is 128. B value is already we are having 33. Width is given in the question. So 128 plus 33 will be 161. Okay, 161 will be multiplied with 2. You will get the required answer as 322 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of the rectangular sheet? The perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 322 centimeter. Clear everyone? Moving toward the next question, question number 9. Here in the question number 9 we are having a road roller takes 750 complete revolution to move 1/2 level a road. That means एक रोड रोलर है जो रोड को लेवल करने के लिए 750 रेवोल्यूशन करते हैं. रेवोल्यूशन मतलब एक रेवोल्यूशन, फिर 2 रेवोल्यूशन, फिर 3 रेवोल्यूशन, ऐसे करके टोटल नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन कितना होगा? 750 है. ठीक है. रोड को लेवल करने के लिए. Then find the area of the road diameter. Diameter of the road roller is given as 84 centimeter and length is given as 1 meter. So 1 meter will consider as a length, will be considered as a height, and roller is in the shape of a cylinder. जो रोलर होता है वो सिलेंडर के शेप में होता है ना, तो हाइट ऑफ अ रोलर इज इक्वल्स टू हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर, दैट विल बी 1 meter. Diameter of the cylinder, diameter of the roller is 84. So diameter of a radius of the roller 84 divided by 2. So वहाँ से radius निकल आया आपका 42 centimeter. Since it is height is given in the form of a meter, we are going to convert this radius in the form of a meter itself. Okay, so 42 centimeter divided by 100, you will get 0.42 meter. अब तुम मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर दिए. Now as we know that curved surface area of a cylinder is equals to 2 pi RH होता है. हमको क्या निकालना है? एक रेगुलेशन में जो रोड रोलर है वो कितना एरिया को लेवल करता है, तब जाके 750 रेवोल्यूशन का एरिया निकलेगा. तो एक रेवोल्यूशन में वो कितने एरिया को लेवल करेगा, उसके लिए कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा. तो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर होता है 2 पाई आर एच. यहाँ पर 2 एज इट इज आएगा, पाई की वैल्यू 22/7 होता है, आर की वैल्यू आपका 0.42 होता है. ठीक है, एंड 1 इज द हाइट. So calculating that, you will get here as you know that here 1 is and here 0.6. So here 44 into 0.6 will be 2.64 meter square is the curved surface area of one revolution. मतलब एक revolution में उसने कितना एरिया कवर किया है? 2.64 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया कवर किया है. ना टोटल नंबर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशंस कितने हैं? 750. अब 750 रेवोल्यूशन में वो कितना एरिया कवर करेगा? अगर एक रेवोल्यूशन में वो 2.64 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एरिया कवर करता है, तो 750 रेवोल्यूशन में वो कितना एरिया कवर करेगा? तो उसको निकालने के लिए क्या करोगे? 750 into 2.64. Okay, so you will get the required answer as 1980 meter square is the answer. Thus the area leveled by the road roller in 750 revolution will be 1980 centimeter square. Moving toward the next question, here it is said that a company packaged its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has a diameter of 14 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Company placed a label around the surface of the container. If the label is placed 2 centimeter from the top and the bottom, what is the area of the label? So here what you have to find out, as this one is a box. Okay, this one is a box and here the label is. So यहाँ से 2 सेंटीमीटर और यहाँ से 2 सेंटीमीटर है और टोटल हाइट इसका 20 सेंटीमीटर. तो यहाँ तक का हाइट निकालने के लिए 20 माइनस 2 प्लस 2 कितना होगा? 4. तो यहाँ का हाइट कितना होगा? यानी यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक का हाइट कितना हो गया? 16 हो. तो उस 16 को हाइट लेकर के और ठीक है, और डायमीटर 14 है, तो डायमीटर 14 है वहाँ पर, तो रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा? 14 डिवाइडेड बाई 7. 14 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 7 सेंटीमीटर. तो ये रेडियस आपका 7 सेंटीमीटर हो गया और आपका हाइट कितना हो गया? 16 सेंटीमीटर. अब उसको लेकर के हमको कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ पाउडर्ड मिल्क निकालना है. ठीक है, समझ आया? नाउ लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. So here we are having the next question, that is strength. As I had explained that height of the container is given as 20 centimeter. Okay, then height of a label, that is if this one is a cylindrical milk powder container, its total height is given as a 20. Okay, from here the labeling is being done. So we have to know the height of this, isn't it? It will be 16 centimeter. Why it will be 16 centimeter? Because 2 centimeter from the top and the bottom it will be left out. जब हम किसी चीज़ का कंटेनर का लेबल देखते हैं तो 2 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर से 2 सेंटीमीटर नीचे से खाली दिखता है ना, वो 10 दिखता है. तो लेबल से कितना है? So 2 plus 2 4. 4 minus 20 will be 16. So लेबल का हाइट कितना है? 16 centimeter. If लेबल का हाइट 16 centimeter we are getting, and the diameter of a container is given as 14 centimeter. So radius of the container will be 14 divided by 2, that will be 7 centimeter. Okay, so radius will be 7 centimeter. Now since it is asked that the area of this label, ये जो लेबल हुआ है ना, लेबल कंटेनर का, इसका एरिया पूछ रहा है कि उसका एरिया कितना होगा. तो इसका एरिया निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया फाइंड आउट करेंगे. कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दैट लेबल. Okay, so curved surface area is of a cylinder is equals to 2 pi r h. Here cylinder. Okay, 2 pi RH. 2 comes from formula, pi comes from, pi value is 22/7, H is 60, R is 7. So 7 will get cancelled. 2 into 22 will be 44. 44 into 60. So 44 into 16 centimeter is 704 centimeters square. So the curved surface area of a cylinder is 704 centimeter square. मतलब जो लेबल है उस लेबल का एरिया उस कंटेनर में कितना 704 centimeter square. Okay, thus the area of the label is 704 centimeter square. So dear student, in this way our exercise 11.3 is completed. Hope you people understood this exercise. In the next video we are going to see exercise 11.4. Then questions we will do this way. For today, thank you.